Three cheers for ILO. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Kaila.
It is an honor to speak today and acknowledge the International Labour Organization, ILO, has reached a milestone of 100 years. Out of the First World War and its inhumanity were created instruments of peace and humanity. The founding of the ILO in 1919 was based on the belief that universal and lasting peace can be accomplished only if it is based on social justice. On behalf of the Pacific ILO member states, I extend my hearty congratulations to the International Labour Organization on its 100 years anniversary. The ILO, as a United Nations agency, mandates in its constitution the tripartite representatives of government, employers, and workers to shape policies and program for social justice, decent work, and better living conditions for all women and men. Fiji became a member of the ILO in 1974. In 1975, the ILO opened its office in Suva and enjoys a progressive relationship with its partners. Since 1974, Fiji has ratified 38 ILO conventions. This includes the 8 ILO core conventions plus the 4 priority conventions. Moreover, Fiji's labor and employment legislation comply with 38 ratified ILO conventions, which assist government, workers, and employers to continue social dialogue, report on practices, and ensuring social justice and fair globalization. And the Fijian government, through its Ministry of Employment, Productivity, and Industrial Relations, contributes to the global international labor standards by meeting the ILO conventions, protocols, and recommendations. We gather here today representing the Pacific Island states to celebrate the ILO's achievement. And ladies and gentlemen, in doing so, we reaffirm ILO's global principles to grow and promote decent work for all by promoting social dialogue and employment creation. And today we do so by participating in its 24 hours global online tour held in 24 cities around the world. As you are aware, the relay leg of the global tour begins here in Suva, Fiji at 12 noon, and will last for 1 hour, ending with the handing of the baton to the Lima, Peru, and the live stream event today in Suva will cover 11 Pacific Islands member countries. Ladies and gentlemen, all this will lead into the Pacific Islands high-level tripartite dialogue from 24th to 26 July 2019 to be held in Port Moresby, PNG. The discussions in PNG will include climate change, decent work, and future recommendation, and also decent work country program and sustainable development goals. Fiji and the other Pacific ILO member states acknowledge and commend the ILO for its leadership, for better employment relations, and well-coordinated policy development. With 100 years of experience behind us, the ILO is well positioned to take the lead on creating a future of work with decent jobs at its core. And the Fiji government, as part of its 5-year and 25-year National Development Plan, is committed to the ILO declaration that, and I quote, productivity, employment, and decent work are key elements to achieving a fair globalization and poverty reduction. End of quote. Once again, our heartiest congratulations on this milestone celebration, achievement of the ILO today. Vinaka, and thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.